Good morning, ladies and gentlemen and children. Just thought I'd start the vlog up here, just here at this structure which was for Buddha's birthday, which is in August. It was built in 2023, so not too far off last year. So I'm just filming this in 5K. I think it's in 30p, which hopefully will show it in 1080-60 hopefully, and 4K 60. Haven't done too many tests with it. I've had a few issues with everything going to 4K. I don't know if it's because I've been using an iPhone, but that's 4K 60 PS on it, but I don't know what's going on there. But have researched a little with no real correct answer. So yes, but we're up here at the top. I did scout this location while I was climbing this, or walking I should say, the what I call the Great Wall of Taiwan. So now the wife and I looked online to see this structure, and they have this massive celebration here, and there's all flowers and everything from what I saw. I think on some Taiwanese website that they had the celebrations with all flowers, and obviously the buses weren't there, but quite nice. But I've made a 9-part series walking the Great Wall. So there are 4 gates, north, east, south, west. Yes, but look at that view. We'll do some nice shots here. Now in this part of the south of Taiwan, we're covered by mountains, or surrounded by mountains I should say, and between May and October we get strong winds, very strong, and we're not too far off from the beach. I've made some vlogs down at the beach. So where you see those turbine fans which make power, that's actually a power station there. And where you see those 2 statues, which my wife recalls to as boobies, the beach is just there. But the beach is all around, like those mountains there. So I've made some vlogs there, so I think I've released 1 so far, but probably by the time I release this I would have released them all. But yeah, enjoying my time here in the south. Yeah, Taipei was fantastic, but I'm not really a huge fan of the big cities. But it was good to go there for a while and that. So I've come out here just to chill out and relax. Fascinating view. So the wall, I've walked this several times. I try to walk this in the morning because I'm on a fitness campaign. I'm off the cigarettes, and hopefully I'll stay off them. I feel pretty good. I hate the smell of cigarettes, I always have. Yeah, but cigarette smoking was a rather big addiction. You know, I've completed 4 years of no drinking alcohol, and I'll continue not to drink alcohol. I did go to a bar with a couple of our American friends, and it reminded me not to drink, because we did meet a couple of people, and we met some lovely English girls, and they were having a fantastic time, and they were really good. So shout out to them. I've forgotten their names, I apologise, I'm terrible when it comes to names. And I did meet some Taiwanese people as well, a young boy and his girlfriend, and they were enjoying the drinks as well. So I won't embarrass them, but they were a really nice young couple there, so I'll give them a shout out too. Very good. Yeah, the girlfriend was asking my wife to teach her English, because she said her father said to her, if she could learn English, her father would pay for a trip out to New Zealand for 10 days. So who knows, but we hopefully will catch up with them. They do live on the other side of Taiwan, so really beautiful mountains there. And this is the content I really like. I do a mixture of content, as those that are subscribed know. I don't really have a niche. Yeah, I just do what I like. You know, if I wanted to chase the big views, I know what I'd be doing, but I I like to mix it up and keep myself occupied in my retirement. But really, really fascinating views here. I want to get into these mountains. Like, it'd be good if there was like a rail car or you know, up there so you could see it, but I suppose it might ruin the beauty. But yes, really interesting structure, this one. Oh geez. Yeah, like they do have a safety net down there as well. They are very safety conscious here in Taiwan, I must say. Even though I have come across a few things I do scratch my head at. I have made a video of the local skate park here, and I hope next time I'm out here that they have fixed it up. So yeah, I wasn't negative in my words. I just, you know, spoke from the heart, as I always do, and I do hope that they do spend some money on that, because they do spend money on this fantastic historical wall, and it's just across the road from the wall further down there, about half a click down there. And I went into that little base there where you see that concrete structure sticking out. Very, very nice. All right, I'll wrap this up, but I might show you the descent down. I don't think it'll be too exciting, but we'll keep rolling, I guess. We'll see how we're going for time. 6 minutes and 41 seconds. So I'll just show you this net if I didn't show it at the start. But a really good vibe I get out here. Like, the people really keep to themselves. You know, it can be a bit frustrating, people being a bit to themselves. You know, like I've been hit by a car. They did apologise, but then the passenger laughed about it, so I took great offence to that. But yeah, like I wasn't badly hurt. It was just that whacked me on the arm. And the stupid thing about it, they were completely in the wrong. I was in a night market. I just finished filming, and luckily I had the GoPro attached to my wrist, and they shouldn't have been going down this night market because it's where all the foot traffic is, and luckily for me that they were going rather slow. But at least they did apologise, but the passenger did laugh about it, so I did take offence to that. But they were completely in the wrong. I could sue them, but my hand isn't too bad, and my forearm's okay now. After a couple of days it was okay. But enough of talking of negativity. But so we're here at the Buddha birthday celebration. So for 1 month in August they do celebrate Buddha. So certainly hit the likes if you've liked. If you have to hit the dislikes, I don't know why you're still watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're already not. I do a mixture of content, as I said. We try to be positive, but sometimes we do reflect on some negativity, but we try to be positive. And we'll see you on the next exciting trip or adventure. We're off to Japan and Hong Kong at some point. I've got to go through all my videos because I've pretty much run out of space, and I've got a lot of content that I do need to go through and clip. I've got a lot of stuff I probably will just leave for a rainy day. But be the best version of yourself, and thank you for your time today, or this evening, or this afternoon, whichever time you're viewing.